Hello, folks. Welcome to Project Healthy Wealth Daily Tips. This is going to be our first one of the season 2020. My name is Earl Teets. I'm a home business coach and a ministry outreach operator. And I use the funds that I make as a home business coach to support our ministry outreach so we don't have to beg people for money for donations to be able to go out there and help people where we need to without having to ask a committee for permission to do what needs to be done. So that's what freedom's all about. And that's what entrepreneurship will allow you. The question that you have to ask yourself is, do you have a written plan, schedule of actions to profits in motion? Because if you don't have a daily method of operation, it's going to bring profits to your business. You're dead in the water. If your calendar is full and scheduled out like a professional, you'll get paid like one. God bless you. Have an awesome day. Remember, God never made any mistakes. He made you. It's time to win.